Okay students, in this video we have to prove that if triangle and parallelogram lying on a same base and between two parallels, then area of triangle is half of the area of that parallelogram. Clear? This is the example 2 of your NCERT textbook. So triangle and parallelograms are given. They are on a same base and between same parallels. So diagram is suppose parallelogram ABCD is there. So ABCD is parallelogram and triangle. Suppose this one PAB, triangle PAB. Done. So let's represent this triangle with green one. This triangle PAB and parallelogram ABCD. One triangle, one parallelograms are given. This is triangle PAB and parallelogram ABCD. Parallelogram ABCD are on a same base. The common base is AB. The base of triangle PAB is AB and base of parallelogram ABCD is AB. So triangle and parallelogram on a same base and between the same parallels. There lies between parallels PC and AB. So here area of this triangle PBA is equal to half of the area of parallelogram ABCD that we have to prove. So given. First we have to write the given. So what we are given? Triangle ABC. Triangle ABC and parallelogram ABCD. Parallelogram ABCD are on same base. Are on same base. Are on same base AB and between the same parallels and between the same parallels PC parallel AB. PC parallel AB. This is given. One triangle and one parallelogram having the common base and lying between two parallel lines. Done? So this is given. For that, what we have to prove? We have to prove that then prove that the area of triangle is equal to area of triangle PAB. Area of triangle PAB. Area of triangle is equal to half the area of 1/2 of the area of parallelogram. Parallelogram is ABCD. This we have to prove. Area of the triangle PAB is half of the area of parallelogram ABCD. Clear? So now construction. Here we will use the theorem number 9.1. What is our theorem 9.1? Theorem 9.1 says that if two parallelograms on a same base and between the same parallels, then area of two parallelograms are equal. So here two parallels are given, two parallel lines are given and one parallelogram is given. So we will complete another parallelogram by using construction. Done? So to use theorem number 9.1, which is about two parallelograms on a same base and between same parallels. So here we construct one line segment to complete our second parallelogram. So here construction is let BD, or we can say let BQ is parallel to AP. So this one, suppose this is point Q, so this ABQP is another parallelogram. This is one parallelogram having common base AB and lies between parallels AB. So let BQ parallel to AP. This is our construction. Done? So now proof. Here we can write down the first statement that is given in triangle ABC and parallelogram ABCD are on the same base and between the same parallels PC and AB. Then now say this triangle ABP and PAB and BQP. Done? Triangle PAB and triangle BQP are congruent triangle because this is the diagonal of parallelogram, and diagonal PB of parallelogram ABQP divides given parallelogram into two triangles of equal area. Done? So here we can say that area of triangle PAB, or first we can write triangle. Let's write in detail. Triangle PAB is congruent to triangle BQP because PB is diagonal of parallelogram. So diagonal of parallelogram divides given parallelograms into two congruent triangles. So area of these both triangles are equal. Which two triangles? We are considering this green parallelogram ABQP. In this parallelogram, this BP, or you can say PB, is the diagonal. So these two triangles are congruent triangles and area of these both triangles are equal. So here we can write area of triangle PAB is equal to area of triangle BQP. Say result number 1. Done? And these two triangles are congruent triangles, so we can compare the area of one triangle with the parallelogram, and therefore we can say that area of triangle PAB is equal to half of the area of parallelogram ABQP, because area of this parallelogram ABQP is sum of these two triangle, sum of area of these two triangle, and area of these two triangle are equal. So we can say that area of this one triangle is equal to half of the area of this complete parallelogram. And now say this one as a result number 2. Now we can say that area of parallelogram ABQP equal to area of parallelogram ABCD. Area of these two parallelograms are equal. Reason, theorem number 9.1, because these are the two parallelograms on a same base and between the same parallels. So area of parallelogram ABQP and area of parallelogram ABCD are equal. So area of these two parallelograms are equal. So here we can replace this area of ABQP with this area of parallelogram ABCD. Therefore area of triangle PAB equal to 1 by 2 area ABQP equal to ABCD equal to area of parallelogram ABCD. So area of PAB equal to half of the area of parallelogram ABCD. Hence prove. This we have to prove. If one triangle and parallelogram lies on a same base and between same parallels, then area of that triangle is half of the area of that parallelogram. Clear, students? pause the video and note it down.